you guys, on this episode we're going to be making roasted potatoes, and I have my amazing friend Santwon back with me.
What's up, bitches?
Yes! Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's do this! Let's get started. So, Santwon, are you ready to get your hands dirty?
Yes, I'm excited. I'm ready to go.
Okay, great. So first I'm gonna need you to put oil, spray that on the pan.
Come on, grease.
You don't want your potatoes to sit, no, the whole pan. How is this turning into like a music? Why do I feel like this is a slow motion music video or something?
Yes. Island, yeah, what you want?
Okay, then I'm gonna need you to spread like this. All the potatoes on here. I know, right?
We're not gonna make it through the show. Okay.
You want it evenly spread out apart, Santwon. Okay. No, here. You do. That's yours. But you want them spaced out.
We cooking today.
We are.
Yeah, mama be back.
So we're cooking these roasted potatoes. Do you like potatoes? Do you like potatoes, Santwon?
Potatoes.
You love potatoes. Okay, so now that we have all that evenly spaced, like make sure like they're all on the pan, not on top of each other, Santwon. So go through that, okay. You know what I mean? Because we want it to actually cook and not be like on top of something. Okay, perfect. So after that, you're gonna take your basil olive oil, and I'm gonna want you to spray these real good. Real good.
Spray it real good. Dude, that's gonna take me forever.
No, you don't.
You got a different spray option? Okay,
there you go.
Because it wasn't spraying like that at first. I wasn't doing that.
So what this is doing is like we're coating it with basil and olive oil. So when you roast your potatoes, that's gonna soak all the way in there, and it's gonna be really soft.
This is great.
And then
it's easy.
Cooking is easy. Okay, so once you get this corner a little bit. Thank you. Okay, so once we finish with that, you're gonna get the actual basil, because this is like for decor and really the crunch. It's gonna add the crunch to the potatoes. So I want you to sprinkle that on all of this.
Cooking is hard. I quit.
So that's pretty much like what's gonna add the zest. And you see that like when it comes out, you're gonna see like it's all crunchy and nice. This is what the actual basil leaves is coming from. So this has like basil olive oil in it, but that's actually gonna create that nice crunchy extra zest of basil.
Zest, that's one of those words.
Zest, yeah. What's some other cooking words that you know? Like that you see on shows?
Dollop.
Dollop, yes.
A pinch.
A pinch.
Slab.
Speaking of pinch, I'm gonna have you take several pinches of salt to then go over these potatoes once you're done. So put this in. Yes, don't forget the corner.
All potatoes matter.
Okay, so and remember a pinch.
Oh shit.
What are you doing? A pinch. Remember what a pinch is.
Girl. No black belt. High blood pressure this one. Okay. Shit. All right, can I say that?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so just make sure you get like all the potatoes. And the thing I like about it is salt. Salt is obviously added for more flavoring. So that's pretty much what we're doing here. Like you said, we need our flavor. All right, perfect. So we have the oven preheating at 375 degrees. You're gonna put your potatoes in there for about 8 to 10 minutes depending on it. So we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna come back and show you what it looks like, so stay tuned.
And please set a timer. Because listen, too many times I've been making something in the microwave on the stove and I burned that shit. I'm not gonna lie. Set a damn timer. You get stuck on Facebook and blow your kitchen up.
Yes, please set a timer. So we're gonna come back and show you guys the final look.
I'll open this up.
Oh yes. You wanna open it? You got it.
I'm a man. Yes. Yes.
Bam. Yeah, better. You don't need
I prefer some.
Alright, you guys, our roasted potatoes are done. I like mine a little bit crispy, so I'll put it in for 25 minutes instead of the 15 I told you before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our finishing touch of the basil olive oil. So you're gonna spray that, but lightly, not as much as we did last time. Like a spritz. Like a spritz. Like a spritz.
That's enough, okay.
No.
with it. It's too much?
No.
See, I don't know for sure.
Like that. This is spread. And so like this piece,